In Mangrol, in Surat district, Gujarat, two workers enter a chemical tank at local factory to clean it, but within minutes they collapsed inside. They didn't die from burns or trauma. They died from something silent and invisible: oxygen deprivation and suffocation. Toxic gas had built up inside the tank and there was no proper ventilation or safety gears. What went wrong? Reports indicate that the tank likely contained residual chemical vapors, possibly hydrogen sulfide or other toxic gases. There were no gas checks, no protective suits, not even oxygen masks. When the first worker collapsed, the second one rushed in without any protection. Both died trying to do their job. Here is what could have saved their life: pre-entry gas checks using detectors, personal protective equipment like air-supplied masks, strict confined space entry protocol with supervisors standing by, emergency rescue kits on site. When companies choose speed over safety, workers pay the ultimate price. No one should die just for showing up to the work. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and take care. Thank you very much.